Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see the introduction to Java. So as you all know, Java is one of the most powerful languages. So when somebody asks, right, what is Java, the first thing would come into our mind is it is an object-oriented programming language. What is object-oriented programming language? It is nothing but it is purely based on classes and objects, right? So down the line, right, we will see what is classes, what is object, everything we will see, right? So right now, if somebody asks what is Java, Java is purely based on classes and objects. Oops, right? Object oriented programming language. And who developed this Java? It is developed by James Gosling, okay, at Sun Microsystem. And if you see the timeline right at the right side, 1991 it was started as a green project, and then 1995 the Java 1.0 officially released, right, after 4 years, and then there is no looking back. Right now we are in 2026. We have seen a lot of latest versions now which is supporting Lambda streams and much more performance and memory improvements happened, right? So basically, right, currently the Sun, I think by 2010, right, Oracle acquired Sun Microsystem, and that is how now Java is under Java is currently managed by Oracle. So if you wanted to download Java, you have to go to Oracle website and download the Java, which you have already seen in the previous version, right? So now what are the key features of Java? So basically it is a platform independent. So what does that mean? Write once and run anywhere. So say for example you are writing your code in your Windows operating system, okay, and you're compiling that code, okay, using IDE, okay. So what happens is, right, you take that compiled code, okay, just a compiled code, and you can put it in the Linux operating system, it will execute. If you put it in Mac OS operating system, it will execute. If you put it in Unix, it will execute. So basically, right, if you have that JRE, right, Java runtime environment, you can execute your code anywhere across the operating system. And second is, right, the most important thing is about the automatic memory management, right? So it manages the memory efficiently, and that is why Java is always considered as a robust, right? And third thing is, right, it is a multi-threading support, meaning you can run multiple programs at the same time. This will not affect your performances. And the last thing is about the security and robustness. Any banking application, if you take, right, it is completely built or predominantly built using Java, because because of its security and which is because of its robustness. Right now, right, what we will see is, right, why Java in 2026, right? It is still trusted, still powerful, and still used everywhere, right? Globally, if you take 25 to 30% of the developers still use Java, and they are the professional developers in the worldwide, and majority, right, it has been used across enterprises. So Java is used for full stack development. It is used for mobile application development, even for testing, right? Java is being used along with Selenium, right? You all know aware about it, and this main context of this training session is predominantly for Java Selenium, right? And also, right, Java is predominantly used for developing the backend systems also, so which is used for developing REST APIs. All those sort of things come into picture, right? Now even in the cloud, right, Java remains one of the top languages for building the scalable cloud applications, right? And if you look at from the top 5 programming languages, it is still been one of the top programming languages. Right now, Python is being predominantly used because of the AI trend, and second is the JavaScript, because the backbone of the web, right, is the front end and back end, which has been predominantly used using the Node.js. And Java is still used at enterprise level, as we discussed, and it is used for building the mobile applications and cloud applications, and then followed by C# and C++, Okay, so this is the overall introduction about Java, and now right we will try to execute our first Java programming.